What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. I am currently at Target. It is currently like 10:21 and I just there was on Tuesday I had Jaja Bear stay up until 1:30 and he slept for 2 hours, and so I'm kind of hoping that he'll do that again if I wait it out because he is tired right now. But anyways, I came out and I wanted to go to Target just so that we can like burn some time, so let's go ahead. I am gonna take a banana because I don't want to fall asleep. But anyways, I also made my own coffee in a cup. So cute. I love that. Yeah. He's been doing this thing where like if we say like no, he starts like hitting himself. And I don't know why he's doing that. I'm like concerned. We always like redirect, but like I just don't like that that's like his first choice. Gosh, this butterboard is, the butterboard. Oh my gosh, these bases are kind of cute. I love a good blue. Ashikara. My mom taught him that. Ashikara. Ashikara. We are at 85, getting drinks for Harmony.
I'm gonna say hi.
Oh, it's so soft. Yeah. So soft. Oh, it's gonna.
Oh, you want the broom?
Oh my gosh. We just came back Kids Day, which was so fun, and my mother-in-law just came back, so now we're eating pho, baby free. My Sammy baby is not here until Wednesday. He just went on his work trip and today is Sunday evening. I don't know what time Eli fell asleep, but I came home at like 11:20ish and he was sleeping, so yeah, I know he definitely slept past his bedtime, but at least he's down now. Good job. Good morning. I made him oatmeal, and this is like the rolled oats from Trader Joe's. So hopefully he likes it. I'll be right back. This is one of our first ones that grew big, and I just touched it and it's soft. It's like, I think it's ready, but Sam is not answering his phone, so I'm gonna vlog it and pick it. Oh, I think he's, oh no, it was eaten. It was like, oh, whoa. Whoa. Eli and I were outside and Sam put this netting over it, and I wanted to take it off because it just seemed like so heavy. But I just felt this one and it's soft. Oh, it smells so good. Smell. No. Smell. He doesn't really know. Okay, let me cut it. I'll be right back. I am so excited. A bird like ate this part right here. Oh, I really wish Sam was here. Oh my, it's so soft. My knife is just like going in. It smells so good. It's like a little, like seriously the slightest bit sour, but so sweet. I personally don't like eating the skin of a peach. And I love these kinds of peaches because you could just like peel the skin off pretty easily once it's like ripe. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna give it to my Judge Bear. Oh, I really wish Sam was here. Yeah, that's your first picture of the cut. Oh man. Nice, Sam. Listen up a video. It is 2:40 in the afternoon. I need a pick me up. I also did pick another peach because I want to give one to my mom because we're all going to go eat dinner today because I texted my aunt and I was like, I forget what I said I wanted. I think I said I wanted spring rolls and then she was like, I'm not going to be home. And then so my mom was like, let's just go eat. And then I thought it was just going to be me, my mom, and Eli, but she invited the whole gang. So we're going to go eat dinner at All You Can Eat Sushi, which honestly, I'm so sorry, Sam, because she's so wrong for that. And Eli's gonna be sleeping late once again because dinner is at 7 p.m. My coffee is good. Here, actually, Majimak. He loves watching Sophie Nina perform. And I believe Sophie Nina also loves to watch herself perform. Who's that? Is that Daddy?
Why not? It's gonna be like cool. It's like pork.
I know. Okay, wait, give it back to Anmi. How is it, girl? You did hang loose. Very inflation is crazy, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, not yet. Even Jaja has not lost his teeth yet. Yeah, because that's her. Okay, good morning. It is 8:58. 8:58 and my son is still sleeping. He did wake up at like 5. But it wasn't long at all, like very quick. I woke up and I made him some oatmeal because this is like not instant oatmeal. I have to like make it in advance, so it worked out. And then I also have some fruit sitting in vinegar, so I'm gonna wash it, dry it, and then just wait for him to wake up. Garden update while he's sleeping. Still, this one is getting soft. It'll be soft by the time Sam gets here. Because we didn't prune them, they are pretty small. But no complaints because they're just so pretty. Oh, this one is getting soft too. Ooh. Okay. These are our watermelons. We have had possums in our backyard. I mean, every year we have possums. But yesterday there was a big one and 2 babies just running around our backyard. My mint is growing back. This is my spinach. And I don't know what's going on. Our blueberry plant is kind of sad. This bell pepper one though, it is actually flowering. Like that's a flower. But anyways, look how big these are. So I also have another one right there. I don't know, but they don't look good. They don't look good. I don't know why. But I do have another one over there. And you could see some are growing. Like that one. I planted my cantaloupe, but I accidentally cut one of the leaves off, so I really don't know if it'll grow. Just look over there. Another perla leaf, which I should cut, because honestly, oh no, I think they cut it yesterday, the possums, but it's fine. I care more about my cantaloupe, but I don't know if it's gonna grow. These two, I feel like they might not get too big because we did not prune any of them because we got so excited. We'll see. Guess who finally woke up? It is 10:14 and he woke up at 10:07. But he woke up in the best mood, like just so happy. No tears, no nothing. He did poop, but I don't know when he pooped. But he didn't like fuss when I was changing it. It was just like easy. It's been an easy morning. I'm very grateful because yeah, I'm super thankful. I gotta take my wins. Last night we came home at like 8 and then, or like, yeah, 8:09 or something. And then he went down at like 8:55. It's only been like an hour since he woke up, but he's eating a snack. But I'm having him try these. I'm giving him these this morning and I'm going to test if he's allergic to it. He's been breaking out into like hives or like rashes, like spots on his body, and I don't know why. And so I want to think, I mean, I'm assuming it's something that he's been eating, but really just like testing all of our options because we don't know what's causing it.
Hey, you guys aren't going to be able to play for long.
I know. Come in, Elijah. You could drop on my car. It smells like food.
Does it? Good afternoon. Are you okay, baby? Shout out to our Roomba. Do your thing, girl. We are currently at Costco. I'm putting in gas, and then I actually might go in and buy some things because we just ran out of some fruit for JJB. And yeah, my sugar daddy is coming back home today. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go and pick him up later. There's a place next to the airport that actually has like a space for kids to run around and for them to see airplanes, like for all of us to see airplanes flying over. And my Judge Bear loves airplanes and everything that flies, so I'm excited for him to just like experience it up close. I also brought my coffee from home and I want to check it before I go inside Costco. But also, why was my gas $100? Oh my gosh. It was $5.69 per gallon, and I had almost 16 gallons, and it cost me $91. We are back from Costco. It is 4:30. We've been back for a minute. And now I'm going to feed him, and then we're going to go to Randy's Donuts because I really want Randy's Donuts. And I know that Sam will appreciate it too. And then we're going to go to the Proud Bird place, which is only like less than 10 minutes away. So even with traffic, I figure it could only be like 15 minutes. He is currently eating some miyeokguk and bulgogi with some pop, and there's peas in here, and it's pretty good, like all together, I'm sure.
Mm.
Good job.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh,
Straight line. Okay, donut secured. And I had to eat one right now, and it's so good that I want to eat another one. I love Randy's. Proud Bird place was still 8 minutes away, and it's really big. They have like a grand ballroom and everything. And so Judge Bear hasn't seen a plane land yet, but I've seen a few. So hopefully in like a few minutes we'll even see Abba landing. That would be cool, actually. Well, not a few minutes, in like 30 minutes probably. But anyways, oh, it's like a food court. I thought it was a restaurant. Oh, okay. Oh, this place is so nice. There's a lot of seating areas, and I don't think I had to order food, but I did because I thought we had to, but we didn't. But I had a kids meal brisket barbecue, and he's eating this. And then we're gonna go out for like a little bit and then go pick up Sam. Where do you want to go? You want to hold my hand? No? Go. Yeah. Like little airplanes like over there, like all across, and then a playground and a large running area. Yeah. You could just put it here. Appa hug.
Ano, Appa hug.
Appa. They were just doing it.
그냥 먹어?
What?
Did you wash it?
Yeah, I just washed it. Oh yeah?
음.
Yeah?
와우. 와우.
Yeah. Oh, they taste really good. They're just small, but they taste good. Anyway, Sam's home. Say bye.
Bye. Ano, bye-bye. Ano, bye-bye.